Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Today we're going to unbox something that probably most of you don't own, but when you're in that situation you wish you had one. This is a 7,000 amp jump starter. You remember in the middle of winter when your car didn't start, or in the summer when you got your bike out for the first time and your bike didn't start? Something like this would be great in your garage. If you'd like to know what I think about this product, we probably won't be able to test it on starting something at the moment because I've got nothing with a flat battery, because all mine are on tenders. As they say, stick around and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
This got sent to me about a week ago. I already have one which I've had for quite some time when my van didn't start one day in the middle of winter, and I thought to myself, I'll get one of these. When I got offered to have this sent to me, I thought to myself, I've already got one, so what do I need another one for? This was supposed to be a proper unboxing. Now, I've got it on that camera, but the sound won't be good, so anyway, we'll do this again. So, it was a real unboxing because I had a Stanley knife and plastic to take off and everything, and it had a security tab to take off. And that camera that you're looking at me now wasn't recording. Anyway, so we'll do that again. Well, we'll try and do that again. We've probably got most of it on this. So we did all this before, taking all this out, and it was quite good, but anyway, just do it again. So that's how it comes in its nylon packaging. Everything inside is all you need. I'll show you what it actually is inside. The booster itself, nice little size to keep in your top box, side panniers or something like that, just in case whilst you're on tour, that if you get a flat battery, or there's anybody in the group that has a flat battery, you can use it. Oop. Comes with the positive and negative crocodile clips and the plug that fits into the booster itself. It comes with a USB to C charging cable, so that's really all you need. And then it comes with a set of instructions, which most people would just go throw them away. Why don't people read instructions? Anyway, so yeah, it's a nice little handy size. It does say on the front of it, caution, fully charged before use. If you press the power button on, it gives you a display. It's showing 69% at this precise moment. We're not going to go and try and start a car with it because we don't have a car that needs starting or a bike that needs starting, because everything that we've got here is all on tenders and everything's okay. It has a handy torch on the front of it, apparently 85 hours of light, and you can turn that on and off with the on and off button on the front. So the first thing I did notice is that this thing is relatively simple on the front of it. I have one, it's got loads of connections on the front, you don't know what to do with it. Just on the front here, you've got an in and an out. So that means that this cable that comes with it will also charge it and charge things from it. So if you plug the USB-A into it, you can charge stuff. If you plug the USB-C into it, you can charge this. I don't know how many hours it takes to charge. Once you've charged it, it holds its charge for when it's needed. It will start a diesel engine apparently up to 8 litres, which is some fair cranking power. Well, it is 3,000 ampage, 3,000 amps. So that's the front of it. Within that front, you've got the dustproof, I don't think it's waterproof, a dustproof cover, which you open up and it shows that you've got the connections in it, which match the connections for the crocodile clips. That can only fit in one way, as you can see, the way that it's shaped and the way that that's shaped. It could only fit one way. Once you've inserted the plug into the unit, the crocodile clips are ready to connect to whatever you're trying to start. When you connect them, there's 2 LED lights on here. We're not going to show the 2 LED lights. There's 2 LED lights. One will flash green if you've connected the black to neutral and that to live. If you connect these crocodile clips the wrong way around, you'll get a red flashing LED on there, which means that you've connected them incorrectly. The polarity is the wrong way around. Once you connect this to the battery, you'll get the flashing green light if you've connected it the correct way. Depending how much power the battery has got into it, it will continue flashing. If it's completely dead, it won't stop flashing. What you'll have to do is to press the boost button. That will boost the supply into the battery, and as soon as you press the boost button, it will go fully green, and then you'll be able to start the car. If your battery isn't that dead, but it just won't crank, once you've connected them, you'll get a flashing green light. That green light, after 30 seconds, will go solid. Then you'll be able to start the car without pressing the boost button, which is a good thing. Not only does this jump start allow you to start your car, your bike, your boat, anything that has an electric starter motor, it also allows you to charge things. So having a 37 watt hour battery inside it, this will allow you to charge multiple devices back to full. So it's not a bad bit of kit really, is it? It allows you to start your car, and it allows you to charge things when you're out and about. Relatively easy and straightforward to use. It's a little bit less complicated as the one I've got, which I got a couple of years ago. Let's say it's only got the 2 power outputs. So, you know, for the price, I think, what is it at the moment? I think it's 49 quid. I think there'll be a discount code down below. You better get something for it. So if you travel a lot, or you have multiple vehicles in your garage, such as what I have, and you don't put them on tenders, something like this could come in quite handy. You could keep it in the car, keep it in the garage, keep it in your top box. Depends on what sort of application you're going to use for it. Straightforward, easy to use. Nice price at 47 quid, and I think there's, like I said, there's going to be a discount code, which I hope they're going to send me soon. If it is, it'll be down below in the description. And what more would you want from it? It's a sleek design, little handy thing. It's not as big as the one I've got. So yeah, not a bad little bit of kit. If you're in the market for one, consider this. Links will be down below if you fancy one, and as they say, get on it. There you go, YouTubers, an unboxing of the Ansody jump starter, something that you may want, and if you're in the market for one, like I say, check out the description box down below and the links and everything will be there. If you thought that video was a bit informative, a bit interesting or whatever, gives a big thumbs up or gives a big thumbs down, whichever you want. It all adds to the algorithms of YouTube. Thanks very much to all you subscribers out there that are subscribing to the channel. If you just stumbled across us because you were in the market for a jump starter, please consider subscribing. We do all sorts of different things. Please look at our back catalogue. We do all sorts to do with motorcycles, touring, off-road, on-road, and maintenance and everything. Yeah, consider subscribing. It is free. I'm not going to charge you for this one. So where are we at the moment? 2nd of May. Yesterday was a Scorchio. Day before was. Today's gone a little bit cool, but it's not raining, which is good. You'll all be out riding them motorcycles now. So if you're riding out there, don't forget, ride safe, be safe, keep safe. And as they say, see you soon.
Like and subscribe.